Hi students. Okay, so we have done the first part of this chapter where we understood what is coordinates, what is distance and how do we find distance. Now what we're going to do is we're going to study betweenness. Okay, now look, today my topic is betweenness and my objective is students will be able to apply the concept of betweenness and find the midpoint in the given number line. Okay, now look, there is going to be three possibilities. Okay, I am telling you एक number line है उसमें 3 points है and I am telling you that there are 3 possibilities. Okay, so P Q R, इसमें क्या है, point Q is between P and R, point Q is between P and R. Second possibility is point R is between P and Q, and third possibility is point P is between R and Q. कुछ भी हो सकता है. I've given you 3 points. I don't know कौन सा मिड पॉइंट है, कौन सा मिडिल वाला पॉइंट. ये जो यहाँ पे P है, यहाँ पे Q है, यहाँ पे R है. I don't know which is the middle point. I am just telling you एक middle point है. Let's go find that middle point. Okay. So now look. This is my question. ठीक है. There is a number line with points A, B and C. Now I've told you एक number line है. ठीक है. Now I've told you there is a number line. Point A, B and C है. ठीक है. उस पे and I'm उसमें से what I've told you is distance between A and B is 5. Distance between B and C is 11 and distance between A and C is 6. So basically I have told you the distance between all the points. ठीक है. Which point is between the other 2 points? Very simple. ठीक है. What I'm going to do is मेरे को जो भी पता है मैं पहले लिख दूंगी. I know I'm going to first look कि 5, 11 and 6 में से सबसे बड़ा नंबर कौन सा है, which is the biggest number. I'm looking at the biggest number. It is 11. So what I'm going to write? I'm going to write distance BC is equal to 11. That is the first thing that I know. ठीक है. Now what I'm going to see is these other 2 numbers that I have, do they add up to 11? Maybe I don't know. Let's see. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. ठीक है. 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. Oh, I know now. When I add AB and AC, distance AB plus distance AC is equal to 5 plus 6, which is 11. That is the second thing that I have found. Now, therefore, distance BC, okay, distance BC, which is 11, is equal to distance AB, which is 5, plus distance AC. See, let me write it. Distance of BC is 11, okay, is equal to distance of AB. AB का distance क्या है मेरा यहाँ पे 5, plus distance of AC. AC का distance क्या है 6. So now what I know is my full line. If I make a line over here, see, if I make a full line over here, ठीक है, I know that my full line is 11. ठीक है. This full line is 11. Now full line is 11. 11 क्या है? BC. So that means B and C. Full line BC is 11. Now what else is left? Third point क्या है मेरा? A. A is the midpoint. How do I know now? BA कितना है? AB is 5 centimeter. And AC is 6 centimeter. Okay. So now point A is between point B and point C. I've made over here AB is 5, AC is 6, and when I add these two, I get 11. Done. Simple. We're going to try one more sum, okay? Now, U, V and A are three cities. There are three cities. उनका नाम है U, V and A on a straight line. The distance between UA is 215 किलोमीटर. मेरे पास जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन है मैंने सीधा सीधा यहाँ पे लिखा है. Distance UA is 215 किलोमीटर. Distance VA is 140 किलोमीटर and distance UV is 75 किलोमीटर्स. ठीक है, जो जो दिया हुआ है मेरे को सम में मैंने सीधा सीधा लिखा है. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू लुक फॉर अगेन हाईएस्ट नंबर. व्हाट इज माय हाईएस्ट नंबर? 215. मैं क्या करूँगी, साइड में चुपचाप मैंने यहाँ पे आई हैव डन दिस 140 प्लस 75. I have added it. It's given me 215, which means I know that that entire straight line जहाँ पे cities है, it is 215 kilometers long. Now I know ये पूरा line है. इसका मतलब distance VA plus distance UV is equal to 75 plus 140, correct? 75 and 140, which is equal to 215 kilometer, which is the distance of U and A. Now, if I know this, that means distance UA is equal to distance VA plus distance UA. Now I know that there is one straight line जिस पे U and A is the first and the last city. बीच में क्या बचा? V. Which means that the city in the middle is city V. Simple. Nothing difficult. Very easy. Now, last question that we are doing is the coordinate of point A. Now, this is थोड़ा सा different, okay? एक coordinate है, एक पॉइंट है ए एंड उस पॉइंट का नंबर है 5. ओके, आई हैव मेड इट. पॉइंट का नंबर इज 5. ठीक है. नाउ फाइंड द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ द पॉइंट्स ऑन द सेम नंबर लाइन. इस नंबर लाइन पे अपन को वी हैव टू फाइंड मोर कोऑर्डिनेट्स विच आर 13 यूनिट्स अवे फ्रॉम ए. ठीक है. नाउ दे आर सेइंग एक पॉइंट है ए and they've said कि दोनों साइड पे लेफ्ट एंड राइट पे we need to find 2 more units which are 13 units away. ठीक है, 13 units लेफ्ट पे एंड 13 units राइट पे, which is very simple. अभी मैं आप लोग को एक नंबर दी 5. ठीक है, आई सेड अभी 5 से 13 कम करो, 5 minus 13, and now I said अभी दिस इज ऑन द माइनस साइड, राइट? सो आई हैव सब्ट्रैक्टेड एंड यहाँ पे बिकॉज दिस इज अ प्लस साइड आई हैव एडेड. सो 5 plus 13 and 5 minus 13. Now I have named these 2 points M and O. ठीक है. The coordinate of point M will be 5 minus 13, which is equal to minus 8, and the coordinate of point O will be 5 plus 13, which is equal to 18. So now I know that the 2 coordinates that are 13 units away from A are minus 8 and 18. Very simple. These are all very simple sums, okay? Now what you are going to do is on page number 5 of your second textbook, maths textbook, there is practice set 1.1, which covers, it's only one page, not lots. So you are going to finish this entire work, all of these sums today. Okay? All these sums are supposed to be finished today in your notebooks. You know you are supposed to send me by 7:30 p.m. You are supposed to tell me if you want to be a champion in the class today. by 7:30 p.m. finish all the work and tell me, and then I'm going to also send you the answer key. Alright, have fun learning, guys. Bye.